Communio shining bright. In the dark we bring the light. Hearts and minds we intertwine.
We welcome Sister Neelam Kes, Communio Diocesan Director from Hazaribagh Diocese. Welcome, Sister. Sister, as the only female Diocesan Communio Director, please tell us how you feel.
See, I feel grateful because I know I am an unable person, but still many congregation sisters are working in different activities, but I am chosen for this work. So, and also I am grateful for my bishop who has given this responsibility to work directly for the people. So I am happy.
Lovely, Sister. Can you talk about any Communio initiatives in your diocese?
Actually, there are many activities in our diocese which I conduct for the people. Especially, we train the catechists. Those are working those who are the leaders for the village level. So for them, annually we conduct one program we prepare them. Then we have the BEC, where there are many animators. And when we train the animators, they also go and conduct the BEC program for the village unit. And we have the marriage preparation course for the couples. Also, there are a lot of problems in the families, so we conduct the rectification program for them. And we have the 4 association, like children, youth, men and women. So for them also, we take the separate program and we give the guidelines, and they are happy. And most of the time I go to the village, interior village, where there is no house, these people are staying in the jungle, no proper place. So there also we go and collect the people and give some program. And I see we have in our diocese many schools also. So in the school also we train the catechism teachers for middle high school separate, and they are also teaching in the catechism classes in their school. So in that way, plus I see that people are very poor, and as I was given this charge as a community director, then lot of support and encouragement I got from the communio, especially the financial matter, and through which now really so many programs I could conduct. Before also I was conducting, but sometimes people were coming very few, and even they were thinking for their work and for their other activities. But when we gave and when we conduct, people come more and they receive, they take participate in the class. Also, I have experienced people's life. They are very much generous, though they are very poor. They have nothing to eat. But still, when we ask for the contribution, whatever they have, they come and give. Suppose they have some vegetables or something, some crops, they will come and they give and contribute from their side. So in that way, I don't feel that only we are giving and feeding them, but they are also contributing. Yes. So in that way, I am very happy, and people are very much collaborating and receptive when we go, very welcoming heart, and very simple people we have, and that I enjoy to work with them, and I feel they also enjoy it.
I can gauge that from the smile on your face, Sister. So, Sister, how do you plan to celebrate Communion Sunday differently this year than last year?
Actually, I am happy to celebrate this Communion Sunday. From 2021-22, we are celebrating, but different way. Only I used to give whatever you were sending, the envelopes that we were distributing, and the poster. what we get from here. And for that, as I said, the 4 associations we have, we were introducing, showing that, all that. Then we were celebrating and people were collecting the money in the envelopes. But this year, I think, little more than that, I am planning, and also our diocese. So this year, maybe I will introduce to keep each family one money box. In that, in Advent seasons, they will put the money in that money box, and whatever collection comes, we will tell them to bring it that in the offertory or to give for the communion. And other things, we can arrange the fete in the parishes. Maybe not in all in the parishes, but some of the parishes where they can do this fete, and they can collect the money. And other things, maybe from the education department and from the religious houses also, I can introduce, and I can tell them to contribute more. What they were doing with that, with more they can contribute.
Those are some awesome initiatives, Sister. I wish you all the very best for this year and in your role. Thank you, Sister Neelam Kes, for being with us. This is Angela Nayak with Jerish at the Communio Directors Joint Reflection Program, St. Joseph Vaz Spiritual Renewal Center, Goa, for Communio CCBI.
I am Sister Neelam Kes, Holy Cross. I am Communio Director of Hazaribagh Diocese. I am happy to be here to attend the Joint Reflection Program at Goa. And I learned many good things, and I got many inspirations from this program, especially the spiritual conversation which Father Joy had taken, and it is a very inspiring one. Thank you.
Communio shining bright. In the dark we bring the light.